If you don't want to be like everyone else, broke, stressed, and stuck in a never-ending cycle, you need to focus on one thing: making your first $10,000. When I was 18, I had no money and no qualifications, but I did have big ambitions. Instead of worrying about making millions, I set myself the smaller, more achievable goal of making 10K. Now, as a self-made millionaire, I can tell you that first $10,000 was the hardest to make. But once I hit it, everything changed. It wasn't just about the money. It was about proving to myself that making money is a skill and not luck. Once I figured out how to make 10K once, I knew I could do it again and eventually scale it into real well. So if I had to start from zero and make that first $10,000 all over again, this is exactly how I do it in 3 steps. Slow upbeat music. Most people make this way harder than it needs to be. They jump into crypto because their friend made money from it, or they tried day trading because some guru promised it would make them rich. The problem is both these methods need huge upfront cash reserves and crazy luck. These are side hustles and they should never be seen as your main source of income. Instead, think of them as tools to multiply your money. When you are just starting out, you need something that requires a small amount of money to begin with and constantly puts cash in your pocket every day. When you strip away all the noise, there are only really 4 options. I've tried all of these, and take it from me, this choice is crucial because some options offer higher scalability while others are more limited. In the same way, some generate quick cash while others take more time to make money. Option 1 is selling in-person services. Look, you've probably heard of these before, but I'm talking personal training, delivery driving, dog walking, nail designing, barbering, videography, and so many more. Although these services sound so common and basic, they're actually one of the fastest ways to make money, so don't overlook them as they give you a way to get paid immediately. It's also pretty cheap to get started. All you need is some skills and maybe a few tools, which means you can get up and running very quickly. If you choose to do this, then please don't mess around trying to build a website, run ads, or make a logo. Just get out there. Find some customers in your local area. Deliver the service and get paid. I even did this when I was in my teens. I used to walk around rich neighborhoods and offer to wash people's cars. I'd look out for tidy gardens but dirty vehicles. Now, this might sound strange. However, I was betting if they were obsessed over keeping their garden tidy, they'd also want a nice shiny car on their driveway to impress their neighbors. Because these kinds of services are limited by your local area, it meant my demand was pretty up and down. Some months were busy and others I struggled to make anything. When I was busy,